Hello everyone, and welcome to Stoic Wisdom Today. Let me ask you a simple but powerful question. Are you living too fast? In today's world, we measure life in deadlines, emails, notifications, and non-stop movement. We're taught to hustle harder, chase more, never pause. But what if all this speed isn't getting us closer to meaning, just closer to burnout? Seneca, one of the wisest Stoic philosophers, saw this coming centuries ago. He warned us, it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Today we'll slow down with Seneca. We'll explore why our obsession with speed might be stealing our joy, and how ancient wisdom can help us reclaim control, clarity, and calm. Because sometimes the fastest way to peace is to stop rushing. Part 1. Seneca's warning on wasted time. Seneca didn't live in the age of smartphones and social media, but his words feel like they were written for us. He looked around and saw people wasting years chasing things that didn't matter. Status, applause, wealth, approval. And he said plainly, people are frugal in guarding their personal property, but as soon as it comes to wasting time, they are most wasteful. Ask yourself this, how much of your day is truly yours? How many moments slip away in distraction, in busy work, in doing things that bring no lasting value? Seneca believed that time, not money, is life's most precious resource. Once it's gone, and most people realize it too late. His message is clear. Don't wait for a crisis to start living intentionally. Your time is already running. Make sure you're the one steering it. Part 2. Speed is not progress. In our culture, speed equals success. We rush through emails, multitask meals, fast-forward conversations, as if moving faster means living better. But Seneca challenges this illusion. He writes, being everywhere is being nowhere. When we're constantly in motion, we're rarely present. And when we're not present, we miss the richness of life, the beauty of small moments, the clarity of thought, the warmth of connection. Slowing down isn't laziness, it's intentionality. It's asking, am I moving with purpose or just moving? If you've ever finished a day exhausted but unsure of what you accomplished, you felt the trap of speed without direction. Seneca reminds us, true progress isn't how fast you go, it's how true you are to your path. Part 3. The danger of distraction. Every ping, every scroll, every breaking news headline, our attention is pulled in 100 directions. Seneca saw this kind of scattered living as one of the greatest dangers to the soul. He wrote, to be everywhere is to be nowhere. Distraction doesn't just waste our time, it fractures our mind. We become reactive, anxious, and restless, constantly chasing what's urgent while losing sight of what's important. So how do we resist? Seneca's answer is simple but powerful. Focus on what you control. Guard your attention like a treasure. Say no more often. Make space for silence. And choose depth over speed. Because a focused life is a fulfilling life. Part 4. Living deliberately, not reactively. The vault key. Living fast often means living on autopilot. Wake, rush, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. But Seneca invites us to live deliberately. He asks us to wake up inside our lives, to be aware of how we spend our days, and whether they reflect who we truly want to become. He wrote, life is long if you know how to use it. So, how do you use yours? Are you creating or just consuming? Reflecting or just reacting? A deliberate life is one where you pause long enough to ask, what do I truly value? And am I giving it my best attention, my best time, my best self? This is the Stoic path, not emotionless but intentional, not rushed but rooted. Part 5. Seneca's tools for a slower life. Seneca didn't just point out the problem. He gave us tools, practices to slow down and reclaim inner peace. Morning reflection. Start your day asking, what's essential today? What can I let go of? Evening journaling. Reflect on what distracted you. Celebrate what centered you. Memento mori. Remember that time is not infinite. Let that awareness sharpen your focus, not darken your mood. Say no to meaningless obligations. Saying no to what doesn't matter is saying yes to what does. His methods aren't complex, but they're powerful, because they bring us back to ourselves. They turn our days from chaotic into conscious. And in a world spinning faster each day, that might just be the most radical choice we can make. Conclusion: the courage to slow down. So, are you living too fast? Only you can answer that. But if your days blur together, if you feel like you're always moving but never arriving, then maybe it's time to pause. Seneca reminds us that life isn't measured by speed. It's measured by presence, by purpose, by peace. Slowing down isn't weakness, it's courage. The courage to say, my life is mine, and I will live it well. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this message spoke to you, take a deep breath, hit like, leave us a comment, and subscribe for more Stoic reflections on living wisely in a rushed world. Until next time, stay grounded, stay present, and stay stoic.